a vanilla milkshake. For this easy milkshake, all we need is vanilla ice cream, milk, and vanilla extract for extra vanilla flavor. And we also need a food processor or blender to blend it all together. So now let me put all the ingredients in the blender. So I'm going to add 3 scoops of ice cream. One half of cup of milk. And 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And now let's blend everything until combined. So now vanilla milkshake is fully blended, and let's try it. So I pour it in a glass. Perfect. I'm so excited about trying it. I love vanilla milkshake. And let's try it. So good. It tastes amazing. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!